Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a room tour. I just moved into my apartment 3 months ago in May, so I was busy getting everything settled, but I think I finally have things how I want them, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I decided to organize everything, since some of the storage room is a little bit minimal. But if you guys are ready, then let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you see when you walk in my room is just an overview of it all. Bed, side table, desk, little tier with my record player, and then there's my dresser and my TV here. So, and then I also store my purse here. Let's do a quick overview. So right to my right, when you walk in the door, is my closet. It's just slider doors. And so over here, I have just my everyday casual clothes. And then right down is my shoes. I have a lot of shoes, but I need them, you know? And then up here, I have my winter socks. And then over here, I have some skirts and a pair of sweatpants. I don't wear sweatpants all that often. So then back here, I just have my winter sweaters, and then just some like hoodies and stuff. So over on this side is my work area, my blazers, my little t-shirts, button-ups, pants, dresses, and then this is my sister's wedding, or my bridesmaid's dress for my sister's wedding. And then down here I have an extra purse. This is just belts. This tier is for the top drawer. There's a bunch of just like very thin sweaters I didn't know where to put. Over here and here are just some colored jeans, and then down here are some thicker colored jeans, so the ones that I wear more in the winter or fall. And then just again my shoes and some more hoodies, and little winter sweaters. I hate this door. Obviously right by my closet is my bed. I actually just got this. I bought it my lovely parents, we bought it last Black Friday, so it was a super good deal. I think I got like the box spring and the mattress for $500, I think from like JCPenney's. But yeah, I love it, super comfortable. My friends that have visited me have like slept in the bed with me, and they all love it, so that's great. Then I just have my TV and my dresser, this little organizer here. I forget exactly where I got it. I definitely want to say it's from, I want to say it's from Marshalls. So it's actually from Home Goods. But I love it because it's just perfect for all my bracelets. So if you can remember it's stuck in the background, you can put dinner. So just underneath these two bracelets are just some more rings, and then some more bracelets that I couldn't fit in here. So then over here, I just have another little dish, and then just my toiletries I use every day. I really want to find a new home for that. I'm not a huge fan of it being right there. This one in my dresser. This is just my underwear and my bras and socks. And then this is just my bathing suit drawer. It's overflowing. And here are just tank tops and workout tops. Some off the shoulder tops. This drawer has cotton tees and cotton long sleeves. And then here are just like my leggings, my gym shorts, and my sports bras because I didn't have room in my bra drawer. Right here are my pajamas. And then my shorts. I might move these come summer, might not. Not really sure. I guess we'll see when time comes. Or come winter, I think I said come summer. And then just my jeans. Yeah, I forgot what they were for a second. That's cool. So then right here, I just have my full length body. I just got home from work, so this is my little outfit that I wore today. And then I just wore my tan cardigan that you will see in a second. But I just keep my little slippers here, my hamper. I like this cardigan out. It's very long, like comfy cardigan for when we go sit on out on the porch or whatever. And I just keep my necklaces here. The left is more of my work necklaces, and then the right is more of my everyday, more casual necklaces, if you will. Right here is my record player. I really wanted it because I didn't get to use it a lot in college, so I brought it here. This is my makeup tier, which you guys have seen. And here is just nails and a hairdryer. And then down here is just necessities, you know? So then we get to my desk. I know you guys know a good amount of what is here too from my makeup tour collection video. So I got my lamp. I actually bought this lamp. The base was $3 from my local thrift store up at home. And then I just bought this big shade from Target. Love it. So I just always keep my laptop on here, mirror, some more bracelets and hair ties, and then my makeup and a coaster. So this was the cardigan I wore. I actually wore it in my last video too, I believe, so that's kind of funny. So you guys know that this is makeup. So this is my electronics and a folder that I don't have room for elsewhere. So it was all my old phones and iPad stuff and just that kind of thing. This is all my office stuff that I need. It's a bit of a mess. This is a kind of a very empty drawer. This is what I used to when I put my makeup on, so I don't get my desk so filthy. This is just my hair drawer. It's my straightener, my curling iron, hair headbands, babby pins, dry shampoos, etc. This is my miscellaneous drawer. Don't really know. I have cards here and just like little papers here for little notes, and then just my command strips and whatnot. And then on here, I have just important papers and whatnot. My iPad, and then some cards that people have sent me. So trash, don't need to see. These are all my vinyls that I brought from home. I can't wait for the Christmas season. I have a feeling my roommates and I are going to be listening to a lot of different Christmas songs, so I'm super excited. My yoga mat and my blocks. I only brought one yoga mat. I left my other one at home just because I don't use it all that often. This one's better quality. Thanks, Meg, for the Christmas present. And then this is this is here because I literally have no room elsewhere. So this is just my winter scarves and hats. And it actually has some like all year round scarves in it too, but I don't really wear those often anymore. I just keep my two little hats here. Can't wait for fall where I can wear this one. It's just a black, big, oh, I love it. It's just a classic. And then here I have my lamp I got from Target. It was a mix and match set. And then I always keep books that I'm currently reading. I really haven't been reading all that much because I've been so busy, but that's ideal where it happens. These are moats. Gotta go here. Keep my Bible in there next to my bed, and then my picture of my family, and then another coaster. And then down here is just my little basket of books and my glasses that I never wear but need to bring to work because that's where I spend most of my time on the computer. And then again my bed and a little map of Rochester. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what my room looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, I want to just mention in this video, thank you guys so much for my sweet comments in my previous videos and viewing my August Ipsy bag so much. It's actually my most viewed video. So thank you again, and I am so happy you guys are enjoying my content. Bye!